suasana di daerah Muara Sikabaluan.
An earthquake with a magnitude of 7.3 occurred in the Mentawai Islands, West Sumatra, Tuesday 25/4/2023. Quoting the official website of the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency BMKG, the earthquake occurred at 03:00 WIB. The location of the earthquake was 0.93 south latitude LS and 98.39 east longitude BT, with a depth of 84 kilometers. While the epicenter was 177 km northwest of the Mentawai Islands. Tsunami warning with alert status for Tanabala Island, South Nias, North Sumatra. The potential for a tsunami to be passed on to the community, wrote the BMKG on its official website. In its statement, the BMKG asked local governments to direct their citizens away from beaches and river banks. A number of residents in West Sumatra and North Sumatra reported feeling strong tremors from this earthquake. The intensity of the shaking caused a number of people to wake up from their sleep and run out of their homes. However, until now there have been no reports of damage to buildings as a result of the earthquake.